Hello, welcome back for the first video about this bust for Vecna from 3x, okay, sorry. And the tools I'm going to use now, I'm going to use because it's going to have lots and lots of colors, and at the moment I just want to see the highlights on this bust. Guys, if you want this one, I have here on my store. Just send a message to my wife Elsa, and we'll provide you one of these if you want to make these two. On the next video I will start painting this one, and I will do almost everything with a brush. So if you don't have airbrush, no problem, you can do it really easy without no problem with brushes. Okay, so we see you on the next video. Bye guys.